Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will talk to you guys briefly on the concept of join, how to do a join in ArcGIS Pro, and how to join one shapefile to another. And if you have two shapefiles, which are you going to join to the other? So the concept of join is basically having two shapefiles and then trying to merge them together in one data. And in with that in mind, let's say I want to join this table to this shapefile of Wisconsin counties. So I want to join these to this. What the first thing I have to consider is if both of these shapefile has something in common. So if they have something in common, then I could use that as the field to join both of the counties, and then the table that I have here, these data has already been imported into my ArcGIS. So you could let me know in the comment section if you also need me to provide the data. But let me quickly open the attribute tables for this and also open the table for this. So you can see here, this is the for the table we have object ID 1 to 72, and then for the counties also we have object ID 1 to 72. So since I found something that both of these tables has in common, I don't care about any other thing in the data as long as I can use both field that the two tables has in common. So for join, I'll be using the object ID for both of them. So I'll quickly close this. And now, since I want to join the table here to the shapefile here. So that means I'm importing the table to the shapefile. So I'll come and click on the shapefile, and you can see join and relate. And seems I've joined before, but like I'm going to remove that and rejoin again. So I'll remove all join. So remove the all join now. So if you've done a join before on a particular set of data set, it will tell you, you can see here, remove join, remove all join. So in our case, I just removed all join because I wouldn't want complications with data. So now I've removed it and I want to do a new join. So still remember on the shapefile, then join and relate, and then add join. So it pops up, and I'm going to select object ID. So because it already knows that that's what I have in common, so it comes, and then but sometimes I also go direct to select myself. You can choose to validate. Validate join would tell you if there's an issue on the ground for you to rectify it first before you run the join. So that's what validation will do. And okay, let me click the validation. So if there is no issue, it will say, you see, succeeded. So it tells you if it succeeded, that means there's no issue. Then you can close it, and then you can now run your join. I'll leave other boxes as it's on it default. So I keep protected features and click OK. So now I open the table again, and then you can see the data set. Let me open the other table too, so you can see what I have. So in the table we have primary care physician, county values in ratio, z-scores, population, and object ID. So that was not in the previous, that was not in this data set. And then now when I scroll down, you can see it has been added here. So now we have joined this table to this shapefile. So now we can try to symbolize whatever data that we have, and then make sense out of it, make whatever we want out of the data set based on what we want to do. So I'll close this again and just try to symbolize. Then I'll go to symbology, or you just go to symbology, and I'll choose graduated colors, and for the field I will select ratio, primary care physician ratio, and I would also do an equal interval, and what again? Yeah, so I'll leave it at class 5. I could change the color scheme, so you could do whatever you want to do with this and just kind of make sense out of the data. So that is it. Basically, this is how to do a join and then make sense with like the data that you have out of the join, and then just try to make sense out of the data. And yeah, so I hope you guys learned how to do a join. Just let me know if you have any issue and I'll quickly correct in the comment section. Yeah, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.